Our main goal for our students is to produce cultural advocates and people who are prepared to work in the field and eventually become leaders in their communities in the arts. Our students are working throughout the field. Our students are being hired as they're finishing their coursework and are ready to work in all aspects of the business of doing arts and culture.
The Arts Administration program is a business degree for the creative mind. The students are from a diverse background. I have students who have been musicians, actors, dancers. I have a student who owns an art gallery, and this is a wonderful mix of all of that, and it brings something different to the table. We place students in internships with local arts agencies and organizations, so they really have an opportunity to immerse themselves in this field before they even graduate, so that when they do graduate, they already have made the necessary connections to really ensure that they have a job coming out of graduation.
This program is for people that like the arts, but also like how they work. So it's more than just wanting to be a dancer, it's wanting to support dancers. It's wanting to be the support behind the arts. It's making it happen before the show even begins.
It's a lot of hands-on learning, which I really appreciate, especially in the second year. We've been doing a lot of site visits and talking with other organizations and businesses in the community who are very entrenched in the arts.
The Arts Administration program has prepared me for my future in the arts by showing me that the nonprofit sector is not the only sector of the arts. So while nonprofits are great, you can have a for-profit arts business as well, and that has just shown me that they can coincide and collaborate, and those two entities together can make the arts really fruitful.
It's also allowed me to really have the confidence to do whatever I need to do in the arts. I feel like there are so many positions that before this program I didn't necessarily feel confident in applying for, and I would get that imposter syndrome of like, oh, you know, this one thing on this list I don't know how to do. And now I feel like moving forward, I've actually been able to, you know, read a lot of job listings for some major arts organizations in the area and really go down that list and be like, I know how to do all of these things now, and I feel really confident in moving forward in my career.
If someone asked me about the Arts Administration program and how to take the best advantage of it, I would say to make sure to just make those connections, get out in the community and meet with people and really take advantage of the fact that you're a student, because so many people in the arts community and arts administration world really want to be able to help each other. So the more you make those connections as a student, it's so important, because those are the connections that are going to carry you throughout your entire career.
I was constantly surrounded by artists, and for me that feeds my soul. As a creative myself, while I'm not actively creating most of the time because now I have a full-time job, just being surrounded by that creativity is a good feeling.
People working in a lot of different artistic backgrounds is really important, because, you know, even though my background is as a visual artist, I could still go out and get a career in something theater, or you never know how those other artistic disciplines are going to come around and work in your future. So it does influence where I'm at now in my career.
Akron and Northeast Ohio in general has a very vibrant and diverse arts community, and it's a fantastic place to be. And I think so often people think they have to go to big cities to experience working in the arts fields, where you can come here, get hands-on experience in a thriving arts environment.
People coming into this program often have a heart for the arts and a head for business. They want to be able to work to support other creatives, and this degree really allows them to do that.